Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to break down for you and show you step by step how you can restore deleted items like tasks, for instance, in your Monday.com board and workspace. So let us catch up through this and show you how to do it, guys. Head over to Monday.com, log into your account, select your workspace in the left panel and access your board. Let me go with that one here. So guys, let me delete a task for the sake of this tutorial and restore it later to show you the process of it. So right click on the given task or item and select delete from the drop-down menu to move it to the trash folder. Confirm by clicking on delete here. And after that, you will need to access your workspace's trash folder. To do that, click on your profile name or icon in the top right and select trash here. And after that, go through that trash folder and through these deleted items and select the given item you would like to restore by clicking on that checkbox to the left and confirm by clicking on restore here, or alternatively you may also delete these permanently if you'd like to free up some space in your trash folder. So let me restore it just like that, and the item has been restored. So guys, head back to your board, refresh the page if needed, give it a second, and then you will see that the given item, in this case task number 1, has been successfully restored. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.